Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create 4K quality editing on CapCut. Okay, let's get started. First of all, I'm going to add my video to the timeline, and then I'm going to go to the adjustment, select adjustment and custom adjustment, and then we're going to go to the curves, and then you can follow my adjustment. We're going to adjust the color curves of all the colors. Okay, for the red color, you can adjust it like this. Okay, done for the adjustment, and then I'm going to apply this adjustment to the whole video, and then we're going to go to the effects menu and select the lens category, choose blur effect, and apply this effect to the whole video. Okay, done, and then we're going to export this video. Alright, and then we're going to delete the effect and the adjustment and go to the media and import the video we have just exported. This one. I'm going to add this video to the timeline. Oops. Okay, and then we're going to go to the blending mode. Select blend, and then we're going to choose color burn, and we're going to reduce the opacity to 30. Okay, and we're going to add this white background. You're going to make it align with your video and go to the blend again right here, and for the mode I'm going to choose overlay and reduce it a little bit, around 80%. Okay, and wait, let me adjust it to fit the screen. Okay, and then we're going to go to the original video and go to the adjustment, and I'm going to go to the basic adjustment, and here we can adjust the saturation and then the exposure and also the contrast. You can do desired adjustment, and I'm going to adjust the sharpen and clarity. Okay, and then we can adjust the HSL as well if you want. Okay, you can keep adjusting guys until you're satisfied with how it looks. Okay, done, and this is for the final result. And wait, let me show you the original video and the edited video. This is the video I have edited, and then this is the original video. You can see the difference, right? Okay guys, and that's all the way to create 4K quality editing on CapCut. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!